Yeah.
Oh, yes, a soul survivor.
Tonight I can't sleep, we living in hell. First they give us the work, then they throw us in jail. Road trip, yeah, I'm trafficking the white. Please, Lord, don't let me go to jail tonight.